Yeah, good day, viewers. Good day to all my viewers. Thank you so much for choosing our channel. Thank you so much. Yeah, we want to proceed in this video. We want to proceed in attempting some likely questions that may come out in 2023 WAEC as far as mathematics paper is concerned. Please pay attention. Watch this video from the beginning to the end. For we have deduced all these questions from the past questions that we have on ground. So thank you so much. Now let's start with question number 1. In question number 1, we have to simplify a all over b minus b all over a minus c all over b. Okay? Solution. So to simplify this, you just take the LCM, the lowest common multiple, okay? And that gives us AB, AB. B in AB, so B we cancel out B, and we are left with A, and A times A, we have A squared. Then moving to this, minus B, A in AB, A we cancel out A, and we are left with B, so B times B, that will be, B times minus B, that will be minus B squared. B in B, AB, B we cancel out B, and we are left with A, so A times minus C, that will be minus AC. So this is the final answer. Without wasting time, let's move to question number 2. Question number 2, in question number 2, we are given a diagram enclosed by XYZ, okay? And XYZ is said to be what? To be an equilateral triangle of the side 6 centimeters, and T is the midpoint of XY. Find the tan of the angle XZT. That is the tan of this angle. Okay. Now let denote angle XZT. So for simplicity purpose, let denote angle XZT to be equal to what? Theta. Okay. So that the next thing is to look for the tan of the angle theta. The tan of the angle theta, tan theta will be what? Opposite, which is denoted as opposite over adjacent. Okay? Over adjacent. Don't forget, the opposite side to this angle is xt. And what is xt? Xt can be determined from the statement given in the question that T is the middle point of SY. And if XY, if line XY is equal to 6 centimeters as it is given in the question, the midpoint, and T is the midpoint, it simply means that XT is equal to half of XY, which is 3 centimeters. Okay? So clearly, the opposite side is determined to be 3 centimeters. And what is the adjacent side? The adjacent side can be determined by making use of this Pythagoras theorem, which says that the hypotenuse, which is 6 centimeters, the hypotenuse of this side, of this angle is angle Z, XZC, okay, will be 6 centimeters squared. Let's leave the units now. 6 squared equal to the square of the two other sides. The square of the sum is the square of the sum of the square of the two other sides. That will be 3 square plus ZT square. That is, let's say TZ square. Okay, TZ square. And with that, we can determine TZ line TZ to be equal to 6 square. Now 6 square will be 36. Not wasting of time. And 3 square will be what? 9. 9 taken from this side to this side. That will be minus 9. Okay? Minus 9. So that TZ, line TZ will be equal to what? 36 minus 9. That will give you 25. Okay? 36 minus 9. 36 minus 9, 6. 36 minus 9, that will give you, will give you 27. That will be square root of 27. Okay? That is line TZ. We can still simplify this. So line TZ will be equal to, of course, we know that 3 times 9 will give you what? 3 times 9 will give you 27. So square root of 9 will be 3. So we'll be having 3 root 3. Okay? Now back to the tan of the angle. Tan theta will now be equal to opposite of the angle theta, which is xt, and xt is equal to 3 centimeter all over adjacent, which is tz, and tz is determined out to be 3 root 3. Okay, you know 3 cancel 3 here. We are left with 1 all over root 3, which is a rational number. To rationalize it, you multiply it by its conjugate. Okay, so that we have a rational number. We want to have rational number instead of irrational. Okay, 3 times root 3 times 1 here will be root 3, and root 3 times root 3, that will give you 3. So we have root 3 all over 3 to be the correct answer to the question. Thank you so much. Let's move to the next question. Okay, let's take question number 3. Let's take question number 3. Question number 3 is stated as a fence 2.4 meter tall is 10 meter away from a tree of height 60 meter. Calculate the angle of elevation of the top of the tree from the top of the fence. Okay. Now, the first thing to do is to, by diagram, interpret this question. Now, a fence is 2.4 meter tall. Let's say this is the fence, which is 2.4 meter. 2.4 meter tall. Okay. From the ground, the level ground, or the plain ground, and we have another object, which is a tree of height 16 meter, which is 10 meter away from the fence. Okay, let's say this is the distance between the tree and the fence. Let's say this is the distance between the tree and the fence, 10 meter apart. Okay, now we have to calculate. Okay, don't forget the height of the tree is 16 centimeter. 16 meter, and we have to calculate what? We have to calculate the angle of elevation of the top of the tree from the top of the fence. Okay, that is, if a person elevated his eyes to look onto the top of the tree from the fence, the angle, the straight line that traces the sides of the person is this, and the angle of elevation formed by the eyes of the person to a straight line that is parallel to the level plain ground is denoted is this, and is denoted as angle theta, which is angle of elevation. And this is what we are asked to find. We are asked to find the angle of elevation, which is denoted here as angle theta. Okay, and with the information we have on ground, with the information we have in the question, we have this side to be equal to 2.4 meter and this side to be equal to 16 meter. And if this side is equal to 2.4 and this side is equal to 16 meter, what will this distance be? The distance from here to here will be 16 meter minus 2.4 meter. And that will give you what? That will give you 2 minus 16. 16 minus 2, that will be 14. 14 minus 0.4, that will be what? 13.6. 13.6 meter. That will be 13.6 meter. Okay? The next thing to do is to find the angle of elevation. But of course, you know that since this line is a straight line that is parallel to this, and also denotes the distance between this tree and this fence. So the dimensions of this line will be equal to the dimensions of this line. So we have 10 meter here. And we are good to go and find our what? Our angle of elevation now. Don't forget, you can apply you apply trigonometric ratio, and you use the ratio, among all the ratios, you use the one that work with this side and this side. And which one is that? If you take sine of this angle, it will be relating with this. That will be opposite over hypotenuse, and we don't have hypotenuse part. It's not even in the question, and we can't waste our time in finding that. So of course we can do it, but we have to go through Pythagoras theorem, find the sum of the square of the other side, then we get this side. But if you go straight and take the tan of this angle, The tan of angle theta will give you opposite, which is 13.6, all over adjacent, which is 10. Okay? And this will give you, this will be tan theta equal to, tan theta equal to what? 1.36. Of course, from there you take the arc tan, sorry, you take inverse tan, so that theta will be equal to tan inverse of 1.36. So at this level, you have to press your calculator, press shift, and look at tan inverse, okay, 1.36, and that will give you what? That will give you 53. Theta will be equal to 53, 53.6732, and so on. But you can approximate it to have theta to be equal to have be approximately equal to 53.7. Okay, it's 53.7 degree, and that is that for question number 3. So now let's take question number 4. In question number 4, we have Fatih. Fatih buys milk at X naira per tin and sells each at a profit of Y naira. Full stop. If she sells 10 tins of milk, how much does she receive from the sales? Okay. But she buys milk at X naira per tin. Okay. But this one tin costs her X naira. X naira. And she sells it each at a profit of Y naira. Okay. In other words, if she has sold one, the sales of that one will be the cost price plus the profit, which will give us the price, which is Y naira. Okay. At the selling of one, the sales is always X naira plus Y naira. That is the cost price plus the profit. Okay. And if she sells 10 things of milk, how much does she receive from the sales? Simply means 10 things will be the cost price plus the profits, okay, multiplied by 10. And that will give us, bringing out naira now, we have naira 10 into brackets X plus Y. And that is the final answer. So moving on to the next question. Now to question number 5. Question number 5 is stated as the dimensions of a rectangular base of a right pyramid are 9 centimeter by 5 centimeter. If the volume of the pyramid is 105 centimeter cube, how high is the pyramid? In other words, what is the height of the pyramid? Okay. Don't forget the formula for the volume of the pyramid is given as V, which denotes volume, equal to 1/3 of the product of the dimension of its base. Okay, the dimensions of its base and its height. The dimension of its base, which will be taken in this case as length times breadth, and its height, which is h. Okay. And also, I want you to take a look at how a pyramid look like. Let me draw it for us so that you will relate. So that you will relate with what I'm saying. A pyramid look like this. Okay. So you have this there. Then you have this. Then you have this. Okay. And of course, the length can be determined by tracing this to the center of the face. So this is what a pyramid looks like. But now, you can take the length to be this, the breadth to be this, and the height to be this. Okay. And as it is given in the question, with it is said that the volume of the pyramid is question with it is said that the volume of the pyramid is what? 105, 105 centimeter cube. Just leave the units first. Let's deal with the numbers, and at the end we put the units. Okay. Now, 3 1 all over 3 times what is the length that is as it is given in the question. Now the length will be longer than the breadth, so we take the length to be 9. It doesn't matter the law of products. It won't affect the arrangement of maybe the length is here and the breadth is the other side. It can't affect your result. Okay, but let's just follow it this way. So we have 9 multiplied by the breadth, which is what? Which is 5. Okay, multiplied by the height, which we are looking for. So from here now you have 5 times 9 to be 49, and 49 all over. Sorry, to be 45, and 49 divided by 3. That will give you 15. So you have 15h. 105 is equal to 15h. And from here you have your h to be equal to your h to be equal to 105 divided by 15. And what is that? What would that give you? 105 divided by 15, that will give you 7. Okay, that will give you 7. And 7 will be and okay, and h will be written in centimeter. So we have 7 centimeter. The height will be 7 centimeter. So that is that about question number 5, and that will be the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching to the end. I once again urge you to hit the notification bell, subscribe to this channel, share this video with those people that you know that it will be of benefit to. Please share it with them, and by so doing you are promoting my channel, and we are as well enjoying a kind of mutual benefit from one another. Thank you so much. God bless you.